Yes guys, what's up my people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Fred Kanambo. It's morning here in Africa. We thank God everything. We appreciate God. And today is on Saturday. People preparing to planting maize here. Look guys. Look. Yeah. And it's raining here. It's 9 morning guys in Africa. Look maize. Look guys. This is maize. You see here. Hey Manuel, you planting maize? Teacher, you planting maize? I see you. And you have here Faye. Faye. Msema aje?
I planted beans.
Maize, beans. Oh, you have beans?
Yes.
See guys, beans. See? You know here is season to planting the maize. Yeah, they prepare. Look. This is maize. This is beans. And we have here Emmanuel. He's the one control to maize here. See guys. See? Where is maize?
We put maize under. This is beans.
Oh, even you have beans and maize.
Yes.
Hey, you have job. And who? Nani anachimba mashimo?
Done.
Where he?
He's go.
He go.
Yes.
Yeah, guys. They are planting the maize. You know here in Africa is season to plant the maize. Yeah. And I'm at home. This is grandpa home. And our home is there. Look guys. It's there. Look. It's there guys. Our compound. Yeah. So do you manage to finish today? You will finish?
Yes.
Yeah guys, they're telling me today they're gonna finish this place. Look. It's morning here in Africa, but it's raining. There's some rain. Look, as you can see, the weather. Yeah. And we have here Domi. Domi, how are you? How are you doing? You good?
YouTube.
Huh?
Doing my work YouTube.
How are you?
I'm fine, yeah.
Say your name here.
Hi, my name is Dominic.
Yeah.
I'm great to you. I'm fine.
What you can say in my channel?
I say subscribe to YouTube of
Fred Kanambo, yeah.
and share.
Yeah. I see you are planting the maize.
Yeah, we are doing work here.
So what you are work here? You
My work is digging and they put the maize.
digging and putting?
Maize. I'm planting here, yes. Yes.
Okay, guys. Look,
This work is not easy.
it's not easy.
Yes.
Why?
When you dig, you feel that it's too hard and
Two? It's two? English. No, me she's telling me English. It's very hard. But you try.
yes.
You know, even me, I'm trying. I don't know English why. I'm trying. You know?
When you try, you can do best.
Yeah. So continue your work.
Yes.
Let me see Thomas there. I see he have an project. Even your Biko.
Everything's not there.
Oh, it's Thomas on it. Let me check. Yeah, guys. People planting maize here. It's season, you know. And let me go home. Yeah, guys. And you have here my dad. Dad, morning.
Morning.
Umeamuka?
Niamka.
Yeah, this is our compound. Look, guys. And this is our home. Look. And we have here the steel. Yeah. The How are you, Des?
I'm fine.
You fine? I see you are washing our utensils. You cleanness. Hey, Des. Say hi to my channel.
Welcome. I'm saying welcome.
You say?
I'm saying welcome and I say thank you. Welcome to channel for Fred Kanambo.
You greet him.
Yeah.
Okay. Destiny, he washing utensils. Look, guys. Oh, Destiny. Hey. Good girl. Hey. And we have here Fidel. Fidel. How are you?
I'm fine.
You good?
Yes.
What you are doing?
I'm taking the grass to the farm.
Huh? You taking
The grass to the farm.
the grass? Oh, you are making the greenness. So you're good? Yeah. Yes, guys, this is Fidel. He doing a greenness. Look. Look, guys. Look. And over there we have Destin. He cleans our utensils, guys. We have Fidel here right now. Look. So Fidel, your work. Continue working. Yes, guys. And you have here a small garden for vegetable. Look. You have here like pepper. Look. This is a pepper. Look. And you have here a banana. Look. Look, guys, this is banana. It's growing. Look. Yeah, guys. We have some many vegetables. Look. We have here sugar cane. Look. We have a sugar cane. Look. And you have a tree for avocado. Look, it's growing. Look, guys. And here in Africa it's raining. It's night, but it's raining. This is a tree of avocado. Yeah, guys. Yeah. So today we say you're gonna finish this place.
I'm gonna fuck it down.
Huh?
I'm gonna fuck it down.
You will fuck?
Fuck it down.
You are crazy. Fuck it down. Yeah, guys. So we have my cousin. We have a project for building a house, a semi-house. So this a trees. Look, these are trees. These are trees. He arranged them. So he wants to build a house, a small house, like you are saying, like this. Yeah. And they're using trees. Look, these trees. This tree is for roofing. Yeah, it's for roofing. And as you can see, they're preparing for standing yeah, guys. People up here cutting trees using the power source. They are prepared some wind. How are you?
I'm fine.
You good?
I am good.
I see you.
Yeah, we are trying to cut these trees.
Are you trying to cut these trees?
Yes.
So
You
you
can make our houses.
yeah.
Yeah. Can you see?
See guys. So So today you gonna put this house down. Today, come here. So you telling me today you're gonna put this house down?
This house is gonna put it down because it is old and we want to make another house, another new house. This house is already been crushed. Can you see?
As you can see, guys, look,
They have
look.
already crushed. This house, it have already crushed, and we want to put it down to build another house.
Yeah, guys, as you can see, look, they are removing the mabati. Look, they are removing the mabati. So the only thing is to remove this. This. Fundi. Okay.
Alright, okay. Hey, unamua kutemora?
Atoko mahera. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, guys, and you have here Fundi. He the one who make me a house, my house. This is the manso. Yeah.
So mngena nini ile kwanza ndio si tana nini naweza ikaangukia.
Oh, hiki.
Hiyo huko.
Ile kwanza ndio nini ndio toka. Ndio mwanze kuangusha kutoka huko juu mnakuja hapa.
Kuna stima.
Yeah, guys, you trying to see.
Sunge toa hiyo bulb kimoja hapo. Itakupiga shoko acha. Wewe? Ndio kushika hapo.
Tena. Hata nimeingia nimeulizia huko hakuna mtu ananiambia nenda huko chini.
Yeah, guys, they're removing a bulb.
Yeah, we are trying to make our house perfect.
Yeah.
This house is old and we want to put it down to build another new house.
Okay.
So you want a new house?
Yeah.
New things.
Yeah. We are in 2026, a new year with good new things.
For sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so kindly, if you are first time to watch this video, Kindly check it out at Fred Kanambo. Show love, subscribe, share, and comment, guys. This is house from my uncle, and this compound is from my uncle, guys. So kindly checking out at Fred Kanambo. Subscribe, guys. Show love. I need love, and I love all of them, guys. Yeah, this is our land. Look, guys, this is our land, as you can see. Let me show you. And you have here so many trees for my grandpa. Look, this trees, this forest. Look, guys, for my grandpa. And right here we have our land. This is our land. From here, let me show you. From here, guys, from here, let me show the angle. From there, it's our land, and up to down, it's our land. Let me show you our land. We have a big land, guys. Our land is from here. Look, from here, from there, up to there, guys. It's our land, and you see there is a man here. They want to plow with the car. As you can see, look, they're preparing to plow with the car. The man is there, look, he's standing. So, guys, this is our land, and see monkeys, see monkeys, see monkeys, see monkeys, see monkeys, guys. The children running away are monkeys. Look, guys. Yeah. And the people preparing around here. Maize. Hey! Yeah. Ukivindi inde tata. Ukivindi inde. Eh. Ah. Aso kiano niche. Yeah, guys, he told me, hey, I see you. You searching a network. I tell him, no. I'm on TV. Yeah. So, guys, I'm seeing here monkeys. Look. They are running away to the tree up. So we have here children. They chase away monkeys. Look, the children. Look at the children. Look at the children. Look. Mnakimbiza vikondo. Eh? Mnasema aje? Zinakula mahindi sana. Zimeanzia wapi? Kwa mahindi yeye. Yeah, guys, I told him these children. He running monkeys. The monkeys is main here. They're eating maize. You know, people preparing plant the maize. Here, as you can see, there is a maize. Look, this is maize. For my grandpa. And we have hey, I see here my grandpa planting mangoes. these mangoes. Look, look, guys. Look, it's many. It's very, very many. Look here, here. Look, mango. This is trees for mangoes. It's a lot, guys. Look here. Look, look. It's a whole. It's like a whole place. Look here. It's mango. Look, trees of mango. Look. Look. Yeah. Yeah, guys. And down you have cassava. Look, cassava, guys. Look the cassava. Hey, my grandma here. He have many things. Look, guys. This is cassava. Yeah. Look, cassava. Plant of cassava, guys. It's tall now. Yeah, look. It's tall now, guys. Look. From here to there. And as you can see, these trees, it's for avocado. Yeah, it's so big, guys. Yeah. And we have children here. He chase away the monkeys. Look the children. Look, guys. Hey, I see you have a stone. There is another one. He don't want to come. Look, there are two. Look. There too, guys. Yeah, guys. So let me go the other side. Hey, even in my grandpa, he have a lemon. Look, I don't know if it's a lemon or orange. It's orange or I think this is orange, guys. So many. Look here. Look, guys. Wow. It's orange. It's not lemon. It's orange, guys. It's so many. Look. You know first thing here. He plant the maize. Look. And we have here orange, and the other side they're planting mangoes. Yeah, guys, let me go at our run. Yeah, so country. Hey guys, tell the people, subscribe to this channel at Fred Kanambo. Support, guys. We need your support. When I say support, I mean subscribe, share, beat the ring, guys. Yeah, I really appreciate. So this is our round. Yeah, this is our round. From there I show you. So now down. Look, and we have the dad. This is my dad. Look. So he want to plow with the cows. Look guys. Yeah. Yeah, you want to plow. Look, this is my dad. What's the problem?
Rain.
Oh, the rain. Yeah, guys, you know here in Africa there is a raining, and you prepare to planting the maize. As you can see the cows. Look, guys. Look. Oja. Tata kwene ngoke mboke.
Uyara.
Mbuya ta.
Tempo mukione.
Kuimikiande.
Gotomera basu.
Totomera basungu.
TikTok.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
See the cows. They're preparing for plowing. Yeah.
Wankuruma age kore mai china tuhanzi nichi. Tata.
Juju. Juju. Yeah, guys. We're starting like now. Look. And my father is the elector. Look. Yeah. Tip. See guys. Kuja. What? Chili. Top. Chu. We started like now, guys. Plowing. You know, we're preparing for planting the maize. Yeah, look how. Look, guys. Chill. Wow. What? Chill. Chill. Chip. Ay. Tup. Hep. Hup. Tap. We're plowing to using our cows. Look, guys. Hep. Yeah, guys. Like now. Look. Pop. Hep. Yep. Kuja. Yeah. Now. Look. Whoa.
Sasa tukuma sasa. Igo.
Boop. Misho. Whoa. Chill. Down.
Did you?
Whoa. Chill.
Hai.
Down. Kuja. Come. Yeah.
Misho.
Yep. Boop.
Misho.
This is my dad. Look, as you can see. He on the steering. Look guys. Yeah. Yeah guys. Preparing for planting the maize. Look. And we're using cows. We don't using a machine. Cows, look. Here in the village. Look. Yeah. Pop! 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 Down! Down! Kuja! 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 Yeah! Yeah! Top! 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 Yep! Yep! Top! 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 Yep! Yep! Yeah, guys. Like now. Look. Look, guys. Yeah. Yep! 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 Tap! 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 Down! 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 Come! 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 Kumba! Kumba! Let's go! Top! 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 Hey! Hey! Tap! 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 Top! 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 Push! Yeah, 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 yeah. Мышу! Мышу! Wow! Yeah, wow, wow! 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 Come, come, come close! Come close! Yep! Tap, 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 tap! Tap! Tap, 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 tap! Yep! Tap! Tap, 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 tap! Tap! Woo! Woo! Yeah, 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 yeah. Top! Top, 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 top. Come down. Block, block. 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 Yeah. Block, yeah. Yeah. Come in. Up. Top, 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 top.
Iya enggak.
Kote pete ku.
Pakai lagi enggak kontak itu.
Ai tora sari teberang ke otasi ya. Wang kura kor manyere esani kai buru. Angku ngache ko manyere ngese. Tragote.
Yeah, guys, we're trying to producing cows, guys. Look. Look, guys. And this is my dad. Look. They're on the steering. Wow, chill. Down. Chu. Goja. Sep. Hey. Woo. Tep. Tep.
Orang permen
Tep. Yeah, we're helping my dad, and as you can see, we're preparing for planting the maize. Look, yeah, look guys. So the land it's look nice. Look, we plow. We using the cows, guys. Look. So now me, I want to go. I'm helping, so it's enough. I'm not expected when I come here to help them. So kindly check me out at Fred Kanambo. Subscribe, guys. Show me love, guys, and I really appreciate it, and I love you, everyone. I love you, guys. So kindly check me out at Fred Kanambo. Subscribe, show love, guys. So look how preparing. Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. And this is our land. Yeah, look. It's so big. Look, guys. So big. Yeah. Let me go. My daddy, he can manage there too. Look. So me, I'm going now. Yeah. I'm helping. Yeah. So this is our land. Look, guys. Look. 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 See. Yeah, guys. So kindly support. We need your support. Support, guys. Kindly support. We need your support, guys. So thank you, guys. I love you over them, guys. So I'm Fred Kanambo. Show love, guys. Yeah, guys. Here we have setting for housing. As you can see, look. We're setting. Oh, good. Yeah, guys. See? And this is how it's for Thomas. Thomas, how are you? Hey, how are you?
Fine, I'm fine.
You good? I see you are doing amazing job here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Say something to my channel. Say your name.
My name is Thomas. This is my building house.
Yeah.
So these guys do my brothers here
Yeah.
doing something there, and I started to doing here to build my house.
See, guys.
Tomorrow and another day we'll get married.
Yeah.
And they cannot say in community. If you're not a house, some communities or families or union, you can say that we are poor.
For sure. Yeah.
We are poor. My young brothers here, they say, can say so much.
We are trying
things.
to make our village perfect. We have my brothers here, and we are trying to make our village perfect. And you see, we are starting our what?
Our building.
Yeah, our building. Small.
Measurements.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. Continue, Thomas.
Support us with many things.
Not know much to say.
Yeah.
A lot is important. So you can say anything.
This is importance. Yeah, guys. Look at the importance. It's amazing. Look, guys. Yeah. Yeah, guys, we setting. Look. And we have here Fundi and Benson. Look, they're setting. Yeah, look. So this time round, you say you don't want job. It's build. Eh?
Yeah.
You don't want job.
I don't want the job.
You're serious.
Yeah.
Ah, you are doing an amazing job. Yeah? You are doing an amazing job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great job.
Yeah.
Must learn many things.
Yeah, guys. So
That is a rock.
Oh.
See,
yeah.
here tomorrow and going tomorrow another day. Can put another house here.
So here you want to put another house here.
Yeah. So
For what? Kitchen or for sleeping?
for children.
Child.
Child, yeah.
So if you finish this house,
Yeah, I can start
so you want
another
to
day.
marry.
Yeah.
You want to marry.
Yeah.
Ah, that's great. Wow.
You can go there to see
What is going on?
Yeah. Hadi hivi hii ungeanza hizo sasa. Vitu John.
There is a problem the other side.
Yeah.
Let's go to see. And right here we have mom. See, this is my mom. Yeah.
This is my mom.
Tupai kizungu. Wakamba ati Kiswahili. Eh.
Habari ya asubuhi.
Mm.
Namkaje, tuko salama. Ah.
Yeah, guys, this is my mom. She tell me, hey, you're recording me. I don't know English. Why? I tell him, you can talk with Kiswahili. Yeah, guys, this is a problem. See? See, guys. See? Wow.
Wow.
There is no honey.
No money.
Yeah? Yeah, guys. There is no honey.
No.
For real?
Yaani hakuna kitu.
Hakuna
kitu kabisa, ni udongo tu. Yani ingeumiza mtu, hata angekuwa amekaa
Oh, ingeumiza mtu?
ingeumiza mtu, si
It's gonna hurt people.
Don't really check that see about yourself you was. Oh, the heart of my heart this
What?
This is dangerous. I don't know street you are having you are not. You are thief on white. You are calm. You're high of your life. Is it?
And is it? I get you.
This is not anymore. Soil is not blood on the animals.
No mad.
No matter in the swamp.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay. Wow. My name is Joseph Mita Kihingu. I live Tagare.
Oh, Tagare.
Your country.
Yeah, guys, Tagare is there. Tagare is there. The other side.
No. Why don't you overnight?
Where?
Where overnight?
Nature.
Overnight.
Orphanage. Yeah, I know
And
orphanage.
on line side.
Yo.
Incident. You are right. Take a look what you mean, you want me, hey, you are okay. Where do you are? Where you from? What do you